Hello everyone, it's me, Jacob NASCAR Fan 26. So today, I'll be reacting to SML short, Jeffy has hiccups. So it's been like 7 months ago, it says. So it was on July 30th, 2017. When Jeffy has hiccups, and Mario tries to get rid of them. Well, guys, let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. No, so just a minute. I want to say to you guys. So, guys, I was busy. Cleaning, stuff like that. So yes, and also, I just want to say to you guys, it's like, and I got 8 more days until my mom's birthday. She'll be 50. No, sorry, I didn't mean to say that right in front of her. I'm sorry. I am despicable. Anyways, I was busy. Yeah, I was busy doing stuff. I was doing my own reaction videos. My reaction video ideas I can do. I'm doing 10 of them right now. Yeah, I'm doing 10 of them. I make every single 10 and every 10 reaction videos I do. Well, guys, let's get started. Let's get this started. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God, so loud. Oh my God, what did you that for? Okay, guys, get some tissues. The lens are messed up. There you go. Here we go, everyone. Sorry guys, I was cleaning the lens because I want to make the videos really good. And now guys, let's get into it. Let's continue. 3, 2, 1, continue. Yeah, hiccups, man. Yeah, hold your breath. Hold your breath. I can do it. Oh, try not to pass out. Oh, I passed out. He passed out. Oh no. Oh. CPR. Oh, still back? Man. I thought they're gone. Really? Oh, slap him. Ow, he smacked him too. He's not top of his head. His dude's back or something. Oh wow. Oh. Smacked again. pepperonis. Fresh sugar, that might help. Huh? Oh, it doesn't work? The scaring doesn't work at all. Oh man, it doesn't scare him at all. The third time. Stage 2. Oh, it's the fourth time. That's the fifth time. I'm a balloon. Oh, sixth timer now. Whoa. Seventh? Oh, come on. Oh, cereal. Ah, drunk man. Oh. Who's Sharon? Oh, gotta stop breaking me. Work on tea, guys, please. Oh, it's 8. It's 8 times. Apple on the head stage. A crossbow. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is 9th time. Yeah. Is it? Whoa. Oh, this is 10th time. Wow. There's a bullseye there. Oh, no. A bomb? Is there a bomb? They're all black. What? Oh, it's 11th time. Man. Man, it's 11th time. Oh, wow. Oh, the airplane. Yeah. What? Twister match. Whoa. Oh.
Jeffy, are you okay? Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book. But is his hiccups gone?
Oh, this is the 12th timer now.
What do we do now? Alright, it's time for stage 7. The worst,
Stage 7.
thing that I can think of. What is that?
Countdown.
Alright, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. Alright, how much I owe you?
17, 18.
Wait, where's my wallet? I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home. Oh no.
Maybe Mario can use this wallet.
I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet? No, I don't have my wallet. Oh no. What a scary situation. How are we gonna pay you?
Where's the wallet? Where's the wallet? And now, work on tea guy. Oh.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now? Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
And what? Wait a minute. Jeffy, just pick the Oh, that was like a, yeah, it's like the 14th time.
I hate to say it, but I think
It
Jeffy's
hits
just
it
gonna have
15
hiccups
or
for the rest of
20.
his life.
I don't know.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life. Stupid fly.
Wow.
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly. I know, Daddy, but it was really scary.
I'm sorry, my camera got closer.
I think his hiccups are gone. Wait, really?
Oh wow.
What, Jeffy, do you have hiccups? Oh, think so. What? I think that fly. It cured his hiccups. What? Oh, no. No, please don't have it.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
No, not Mario. Oh. What would you scare someone if you had to do, if you had to? I don't know. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.